Assalamu alaikum students. It's D1 for 6th class 7th edition, and today we will discuss about unit number 1 exercise 1B. It's 4th lecture, and in 3 lectures we have completed 1A exercise. Now we will study exercise 1B basic level. Find the highest common factor of each of the following sets of numbers. Okay, and in second, find the lowest common multiples of each of the following sets. So before starting our questions, I want to tell you about highest common factor, what it is, and the lowest common multiple. Firstly, we will clear all both concepts, and then we will start exercise. Okay, students. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Firstly, I'll make any one example. Okay, and through example, I can explain you easily. If we want to make factors of 18 and 30, and we want to know that which is the highest common factor between 18 and 30, so what we have to do? First of all, we will make factors. We will make factors. Factors, how we can make? 1 18s are 18, then 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. With 4 table we will not get 18, with 5 table we will not get. So then 6 3s are 18, then 9 2s are 18, and 18 1s are 18. So these are the factors of 18. So same like this, we will make the factor of 30 as well. So 130 is 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 30. Oh, sorry, 3 10s are 30. Okay, so 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30. After that, 10, 15, and 30. So these are the factors of 18. These are the factors of 30. So we will come to know that highest common factor. Common means, common is the basic concept here. So it's common. 2 is also common. 3 is also common. Okay, and 6 is common. So common factors are 1 2 3 and 6. Okay, but we want highest common factor, so 6 is here highest common factor. So highest common factor is 6. So answer will be 6. Hope you all have cleared that what is highest common factor. In this way, you will do all this question. I'll do by myself one question from there, because 4 parts are there. When I will do, and 3 you people will do. Clear? So it's example. So next is lowest common multiples. Lowest common multiple. How we can just, firstly, if you want to do lowest common multiple of 5 or 6, because I'm just giving you example. So first of all, prime factorization, as we have done in 1A, 4 2 2s are 4, and 2 1 is 2. Then 6 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. Okay, till clear? So factors of 4, 2 into 2, and factors of 6. 2 into 3. Clear? So in this method we will firstly do like and we have done in highest common factor. Common firstly we will, okay, after that we will write here like this, 2 into 2 into 3. But we have done that common factors we will multiply only one time, and the other factors we will also multiply here. As we have done in highest common factor, we are just gathered the common which were common, okay, and we haven't multiplied the others which were not common. But in lowest common multiple we will firstly write the common factor, but we will write only once, okay, and after that the other numbers also we will multiply, and then 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, so 12 will be our answer, lowest common multiple. Hope you will better understand now. Now we will go to exercise 1b, question number 1. Okay students, I have written here first part. Question, you will open your books and I am reading from book as well, page number 21. Basic level, find the highest common factor of each of the following sets of numbers. A is 12 and 30. So same like that, firstly we will make the factors. We will make solution, it is, okay, factors of 12. We will make factors. 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, and 12 1 is 12. Then again we will make factor of 30. So 1 30 is 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10 are 30, 5 6 are 30, 6 5 is 30, then 10 15 and 30. These are the factors of 12 and 30. So first of all we will just highlight the common. 1 is common, 2 is also common, 3 is also common, and 6 is also common. So we will write here firstly simply common factors. Common factors of 12 and 30. These are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now we will write here highest common factor. Highest common factor, and that is 6, because 6 is larger from here. So 6 will be answer. Hope you all just better know, and after that you will do all these parts B, C, D. Okay, these are the same parts. If values are 3, so you will firstly make factors of 3 values, and you will take common from 3 factors. Okay, and from these which will be the highest, that will be the answer. So we will now go to question number 2. Question number 2. Find the lowest common multiples of each of the following sets of number. Here A is easy, B is easy, so I will just do D part because it's tough. So A, B and C, these 3 parts you will do by yourself. So I'll write here D part. Question number 2. D part. 63, 80 and 102. So firstly we will do with prime factorization. Prime factorization as we have done in 1a. So we will start from 2. If it will not divisible by 2, then we will go to 3, 5 and so on. So it will be not divisible by 2 because 3 is here, and I have told you then even numbers only we can divide by 2, and it's 3 is not even number. Tell me students, is it even number or not? It's not even number, so it is odd. So we will check that it will divisible by 3 or 5. So easily we can come to know that, because how we can just come to know that is it divisible by 3? We will add these two values, and 6 plus 3 is 9, So 9 can easily divisible by 3. So in this way it will be easily divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Then 3 7s are 21. 7 1 is 7. Okay, next is 80. Next is students 80. Just do with me or just listen it properly, okay? And when I'm just asking you question, then you will think in your mind and you will just get ready for my answers as well. So make factors of 80 as well. Students, now tell me, is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 0. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1 is 2, then 2 5s are 10 and 5 1 is 5. Then the next one is 102. Now it's 2, it's even number, so definitely it will divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. 3, because now we will add this, it's 6, because it is not divisible by 2, we will add, we will check that is it divisible by 3 or not. So it can be easily divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 7s are 21, because 2 we have take carry here, okay? And 17 will not divide any other number, and it is, student, 17 is it is only divisible by 1 and itself. So I have told you that which numbers are only divisible by 1 or itself, these are called prime number. These are called prime numbers, okay? Now till here I think you have understand students? Okay ji. Now in LCM we will take all the numbers, but common numbers we will take only once. Lowest common multiples already we have discussed, that we will write all, that 63 multiples of 63 are 3 3 and 7. These we will write. So 80 2 2 2, then again 2 and 5. So 102 2 3 17. Okay, so we will just check that which are the common factors. So here 2 are the common, 3 are also common, and no, it's compulsory that we will take whole means common. If two values are common, means from two factors multiples these are common, so we can take common here. Okay students, so LCM हम कैसे लेंगे? 3 multiply this 3, then 7, then 2, then 2, again 2, and then 5. So these already we have written, so we will write here only 17. So we will multiply all these values and answer, you can use calculator, so answer will be 85,680. its answer, its LCM, lowest common multiple of 63 80 and 102. So students, all these parts of this question A, B and C you will do by yourself. If you feel any difficulty, so you can take help from notes as well, okay? And if you again feel difficulty, so you can ask me question in your comments, so I'll give reply to all your questions in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.